In 1609, Spanish soldiers forced 300,000 Muslims from their homeland, but some left behind a secret that would hide for 400 years. When construction workers entered this old house in Aragon, Spain, they found manuscripts hidden in a false ceiling, Spanish words written in Arabic script, the secret voices of the moriscos. The moriscos were Spanish Muslims forced to convert to Christianity after 1492. For 117 years, they lived double lives under the watch of the Spanish Inquisition. This is their story. After Granada fell in 1492, Spain promised Muslims they could keep their faith. That promise lasted exactly 10 years. Then came the forced conversions, surveillance and systematic persecution. They created Al-Jamiado, Spanish written in Arabic letters. To Spanish authorities it looked like forbidden Arabic. To the Moriscos it was their lifeline to survival. Every aspect of Morisco life was watched. They couldn't speak Arabic, wear traditional clothes or practice Muslim customs. Christian neighbours spied on them constantly. The capirote, pointed hoods that hid Christian neighbours' identities as they whipped Moriscos during religious processions. The same hoods that would later become the symbol of the KKK in America.